Hello and welcome to today's video. Welcome to my nuggets. Welcome for the new subscribers and for the returning subscribers. Welcome. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, head down to the description box down below on the red button below. Click on subscribe. Yes, the button looks like this. Just click on subscribe. It's free. It will only take a few seconds. Also, if you enjoyed this video and if you get to the end of this video and you see that it's a fit for you, kindly remember to give it a thumbs up and also turn on the notification bell so whenever I add a new video, you'll be notified. So in today's video, I want to talk about creating avatar videos with a software by the name D-ID, which has partnered with this amazing other software by the name Canva. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide, and I'll briefly explain the concept of avatar videos and their popularity in various online platforms such as TikTok. I think you've seen these videos that have been going around in TikTok, and I'll just show you an example of the same. So here is an example of what I'm talking about. For example, this is an AI avatar video where you get to create a character that looks like you, and instead of having you talking in the video, you have the character doing the text to speech for you instead. And it's such an interesting way of doing things. So I'll just jump right in and show you how to go about it. So the first thing you do, instead of having you talking in the video, you have the character Discord doing the text to speech for you instead. And it's such an interesting way of doing things. So I'll just jump right in and show you how to go about it. So the first thing you do, you need to sign up for Discord. Discord comes under the software midjourney. So just type in midjourney on Google, and then you'll be prompted to sign in or log in if you have an account already. This is how midjourney looks like, and all you need to do is sign in. And once you sign in, it's going to direct you to another interface by the name Discord. So with Discord, you're going to create your own character images by clicking on midjourney, and then all you need to do is type in a slashback, then imagine message, and then it's going to ask you to give it a prompt. The prompt is going to be the background of the image that you want, the kind of character you want to have, and you give it the specifics, the color, the background, the dressing, and so on and so forth. So once you've created your own unique character, that is if you're using Discord, you're going to download the image and then save it to your PC and then head on to using it as an avatar on your videos. The other way you can go around this is using D-ID, and this is a software whereby you can also presenters are now live on Canva. So all you need to do is try out the app by logging in on Canva. So in case you have a Canva account, that is the pro version of it, just go click on try the app now and you will be redirected to Canva. So I'll just click on try out the app. And once you're in the app, this is what is going to appear. You have the AI presenters at a click of a button. So you can make your presentations that are more exciting and engaging with AI presenters by D-ID. You pick a presenter or upload your own. You can also add your text. So remember where I told you that you can upload your own avatar. You do that through the Discord interface, where you get to create realistic and images and avatars of yourself or of animals or anything you can have an imagination of. And then when you've downloaded the image that you would like to have, all you need to do is just go back to Canva and use it by adding your text, and then you can plug in you can plug in will and will generate an AI presenter in moments. You can also control the size, the placement, the background, the language, the voice of the presenter, the superpower social media campaigns and training presentation, corporate communications, and also the sales and marketing content and more on any of your social platforms. So once you've done that, just click on use in new design. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to create a document, a video, or a Facebook post in landscape? For me, I want to create a video, so I'll just give it the prompting of a video. And for that, I already had an example for you. So just continue in browser. Give it a few minutes. Once it's done, all you need to do is scroll all the way down and you'll see the D-ID appear. So you click on connect. And then it's going to ask you to sign in either with your email, and if you have a different email apart from Gmail. So for me, I'll just sign in with my Gmail account. So once you're in here, this is what is going to appear on the interface on the D-ID Canva. So the option I had told you, you can go to Discord, create your own avatar. This is where you come and upload it. You just click on upload and then go right straight to your PC and upload your avatar created from Discord. So once you're done that, for my case, I've already selected an image that is the background image. I've also selected the avatar that I want to use, and I also inserted the text that I need the avatar to convert from text to speech. And I did that using ChatGPT, where I created a script on how to be more productive as an individual. So all I did, I headed on to ChatGPT, copied the text, then pasted on this interface. Then you also need to select your language. That is, if you want to use the Tanzanian, United States, from wherever it is from the world that you are in, you have various accents. You can even do it in Turkish, Thailand. I mean, the languages are quite a list to choose from. And then you also choose the voice that you want for your character avatar. And then you have also the style. So it could be an assistant, a chat, customer service, could be unfriendly, whispering, hopeful. So for me, I went with assistant. And then all you need to do is preview the speech before clicking on generate the presenter. So once I did that, I had to select background. So all I do, go back to Canva. For those who've been using Canva, you know how easy it is to use the interface. It's quite friendly, beginner friendly. So I just went ahead and typed in productivity. And then these are some of the backgrounds. So say I want to change this background to this. So all I need to do is just click on that and then just adjust. Then click on the avatar, go to position, then click on forward so that the avatar will not be invisible. So once you fit in the image that you want to use, you can as well animate it. And all you need to do is click on animate. You're done creating your background animation. Just go ahead and place the avatar on any area of your video so you can have it. Sorry, I'm trying to highlight that. So highlight your avatar, and by doing so, you can actually have it at the center of the video or at the left corner or the right corner, the top or the far top left. So kindly note that Canva only offers you the first 5 minutes on the free trial that goes for 14 days. So what you need to do after your credits are expired, you need to go back to Canva and see the pricing, which goes for this. So that we have the light, the pro, the advanced, and these are the prices. The $6 a month, $50 a month, and $300 a month for the advanced. So once your credits are over, that is, Canva offers only 20 credits to begin with. So once your credits are over, you need to go back to D-ID and pay for more. And kindly, if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and remember to turn on the notification bell, and let's proceed. So for the next slide, I want to create a different avatar. Let's say that's what I want to have in my video. So I'll go back to D-ID, choose a character, and then come and copy paste my script. So I'll do exactly that. So now that I have copy pasted my script, I'll choose, because I've chosen a male avatar, I'm also going to choose a male voice. So let's go with Tony this time round. And then let's choose style, friendly, then preview. Clicking on generate speech, it actually inputs the avatar on your video. So I'll just pull it to the left and then click on play. If you want to input some of the things that are mentioned in the video, all you need to do is go to elements and then just type in social media. And then I'll just input this right in here and adjust it. So that's it for D-ID creating avatars, videos using avatars on D-ID Canva. So you can go ahead and try it out. It's going to be quite an interesting way of creating videos on social media platforms. And you can also make the necessary adjustment to the timing, the animation sequences or text placements to fine tune your video. You can as well preview the feature to see how the video looks in its entirety and make any final tweaks as needed. So explore the range of animation options available on your avatar in D-ID Canva. You can as well apply appropriate gestures, movements, expressions to bring out your avatar to life. This can include actions such as waving, pointing, nodding, or even more complex movements. So it's good to familiarize yourself with the user interface, navigation options of D-ID Canva. Take some time to explore the different features and tools available within the platform for creating avatar videos. So understand also the customization options provided by the D-ID Canva for avatars, backgrounds, and animations. And yeah, feel free to explore and have fun with creating your own avatar videos using the features and tools provided on uh, the D-ID platform.